anything you want to call.
An unusual Oval Office declaration by the president.
I am proud to shut down the government for border security.
Security, the president says, is best achieved by a U.S. Mexico border wall to address immigration from Central America that he calls a national emergency. That wall is ineffective and expensive, Democrats say.
We have to have an evidence-based conversation about what does work, what money has been spent, and how effective it is. This is about the security of our country.
Because I need 10 votes from...
A public debate that proves the two parties are still far from compromise, with just 9 days left to agree on a budget.
We gave the president 2 ways, each of which would get a majority of votes in the House and 60 votes in the Senate and would avoid a shutdown. We hope he'll take it, because a shutdown hurts too many innocent people.
Democrats have offered Trump $1.3 billion for border security. Republicans say that's not enough. The president's request is for $5 billion, including wall funding.
The idea that the minority or the incoming House majority would be against border security is ridiculous. It's preposterous. We want border security, but as you know, it takes 60 votes for any of these bills to pass the Senate.
Which means even though Republicans control power in the Senate, the budget still needs Democratic votes to clear the chamber. Lawmakers are eager to leave town for the holidays, but are already looking ahead to the political fallout.
No president should ever say he would be proud to shut the government down.
No matter who precipitates the government shutdown, the American people don't like it.
A partial government shutdown, delaying key services and impacting millions across the country, would be the third to occur in 2018. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Capitol Hill.